Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's a different setup, but I needed a setup where there was AC because I'm hot. And also yeah, that was pretty much it. And I also kind of wanted to be in a different setup than my regular setup where I'm normally sitting on a chair. I'm sitting on the floor, but it's still comfortable. So today I am collabing with Tress Wellness. They actually sent me they asked me to collab on their waxing kit. So this is a complete waxing kit. Everything you need for waxing. So I was trying to let my hair grow out and not shave, so I was on vacation. I know I'm on vacation, I know what it is, but every time I go on vacation, especially in summer, but in the summer in general, I like to shave. I just feel better when I have unshaved hair. So I did try to let my underarms grow, so I have a good set of hair. I don't think you guys can see that. And my legs, I feel like I have very thin hairs. I feel like in comparison to other people, it's not as thick. So I do have some hair on my legs, but it's not in all sections of my legs. Like, I have to look really closely because of how thin my hair is, or also I have to be wearing my glasses because when I'm in the shower sometimes it appears like I don't have any hair on my leg. So anyway, so this is what the kit looks like first of all. So it comes in this box. Now I've watched like plenty of reviews. This is actually, so you guys know, this is a beginner. This is the first time I've actually used a wax in general. I've heard about this waxing thing or these waxing kits, but I actually haven't tried it before. So this is like, I'm trying this along with you guys. But also, like I think I mentioned in my weekly vlog, this is probably coming out before it, that I did want to try waxing at a person, but it cost so much. So this box was only, I think, $40 something. And I'll leave the link downstairs in the Amazon, the Amazon link down in the description box, which I think is pretty good for a waxing kit in my opinion. So they actually give you a good set of waxing kits, and they literally give you everything. So these are the wax beans. So this one is the peppermint one. Then I also have the lavender one. And then this is another, oh, this is tea tree. And then I also have eucalyptus. Probably won't see the wording because they're really tiny. I also have, let's see this. Let's see, I can't see this one. Oh, it's the lemon. Okay, so that's a total of 5 of these beans. Then also they give you a after wax spray. Hopefully you guys can see it because I think the lighting is really dull in here, so the camera's not really picking it up. And then the pre-wax spray. Which is great to have. So I also have that. They also give you these, what do you call them? It says it on the side, I forgot. Wooden sticks to obviously do the waxing with. Just your regular, you could honestly just use a popsicle stick, that's what it is. And then of course the actual warmer for the wax. So, and it's my favorite color, that's why I love it. Okay, because if you didn't know, my favorite color is purple. So this is the lid for it, just a regular purple lid. And then inside is these, I guess this is for the covers for the what you call it, the wax spray and the wax sprays, yeah, the pre and the after. So they give you these little things then inside is the waxing bowl that it comes in. I'll take it out the package so you guys can see it. Just a regular like tray. And then this is the actual inside of the warmer or heater. Now also they give you this is just a thank you from the company, and just their thoughts on it. And then these are the paper rings. So this actually goes over the wax kit thing so it doesn't make a mess. And then this is the guide. So something I didn't know, they said don't wax, I mean don't put lotion. I put lotion on, so probably should I take off the lotion off my skin? I'm about to rub my skin with something to take it off. Didn't know that. And then so they said avoid drinking caffeine. Hopefully this doesn't affect me because I had caffeine this morning. But yeah, hopefully that doesn't affect me. This is not good. Alright. Okay, these are the instructions. Extra tips, safety warnings. Yeah. So I'm gonna set this up and let's see how this works, because your girl had coffee. I don't know. They do have, say, do a patch test, which I've been watching a lot of people's videos to kind of have an idea of what to do. But I think I'm gonna also get some cardboard or something I can use so that it doesn't make a mess on the floor. But I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have the whole setup together, because I. Alright, so here I am showing you guys my underarms just so you guys can see what it looks like. And now I am pouring in the wax beans into the pot. I don't know why I have the paper thing. I'm taking it off because it's not needed right now. And I love that this is digital, so I'm going to turn up the heat. I turned it up to about 203. I was like playing around with it because some of the numbers are not like exactly 200 or whatever. So I just did 203. And then I went ahead and applied the lid on. So this is it starting to melt, as you guys can see. And the point of this is that you want the beans to become like a wax-like consistency. So now I'm turning it down to about 150. So they said about 150 to 170 degrees depending on the area. I found that 150 for some reason wasn't doing it too great for me, so I didn't show that on here. But I feel like when I use it again, 170 is going to be the best temperature to turn it down for me. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the patch test. So I'm going to use the pre-wax spray, and as you can see, I used the wipe before just to wipe down my hand because I did have some lotion on my arms. By the way, the pre-wax spray smells really good. I love the smell of it. Alright, we got the ambulance in the background. Great. So I think this first test, for some reason, I don't know what I did wrong here, but it wasn't latching on, like it already hardened. So I feel like you definitely have to be quick with it because it will harden immediately. So you have to like grab it really quickly. And I don't think you guys see it, but I was doing like a kind of like twirling the stick around so that it so I have a good grasp on it. That's a lot of people mentioning that you want to have a good grasp on the wax so that you can control how the wax is going. Yeah, I jumped a little bit because it was still kind of hot at 150. But I think also it was me trying to get used to like even applying it on the skin. Because after doing it a couple of times, then the heat didn't bother me because, like I said, I cranked it up to 170. This wasn't the best
as far as putting it on. I tried to show you guys, but it did get a little hair off, but you guys can't really see it. So now here's when I'm gonna go ahead and do my underarms. And yes, I did apply the pre-wax spray again. I just, for some reason, it wasn't added in this clip, so I'm looking really focused right now. But I'm trying to throw the wax so that I can go ahead and use it on my underarms. And I don't know what I was doing. I was waiting a little too long to apply this. I think you'll see me applying it again better, because right now my hand is in the way. Okay, yeah, here I go, applying it again. Yeah, show you guys better here. And I'm just going downwards because that's the little underarms grow. And I'm gonna pull it off now. That, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it hurt. And I pulled it off now. And you have to apply pressure, so I apply pressure. You guys see my face saying ow. But I'm trying to show you guys the hair that came off. It was really hard. My thing wasn't focusing. But you'll see at the end. Oh, now you can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and try another thing. You guys can continue watching. I give my final results at the end. So. I'm going ahead and applying the after wax spray, which also smells really good, and it was very moisturizing as well for my armpits. I put too much, but you know me, I over apply everything, so it smelled really good. Here's my final thoughts. I just want to show you guys. So this was from my armpits. I'm trying to get closer so you guys can see. But this actually plucked out, if you guys can see, it plucked out a good chunk of hair. Now, I have to definitely say that this requires a lot of consistency, but also doing it a couple of times. For my first time, it wasn't bad. I would say the pain definitely hurts when you're pulling it off, but once it comes off, then you feel better. And it doesn't feel too bad, but like as you can see, there's still just a little bit of patches that I still have here, but I was just kind of getting over it, to be honest, because it could be time consuming if you don't know how to do it. And also, like, I was trying to get the wax to get on my skin, but then like also applying another layer. So I feel like definitely working in small sections, although it takes a little longer, that's probably better, because when you try to do like the whole armpit, which I've seen some people do, I don't have the thing to do that because it takes, I did it, I think this one was a product of doing that, and did get a good chunk of hair, but I had to like be really quick, I feel like, in applying it so that it doesn't harden too fast. And then because if it stays too long and it doesn't, if you keep it on too long, it could break your skin. So that was also why I was just like, all right, we're just gonna try to stay with the small sections. You comment, subscribe, hit the notification box next to the subscribe button to notify every time I post a new video. And I'll leave all the links and all the information, probably my voiceover, and I'll see you guys in the next one.